Good morning everyone. Today we start our new topic of chapter 24 blood circulatory system. Blood circulatory system it means पूरी बॉडी के अंदर जब ब्लड का सर्कुलेशन होता है उस सिस्टम को हम ब्लड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम करते हैं। और मेनली जो होता है इसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है हमारा हार्ट। हार्ट जो होता है हार्ट के द्वारा ही इन आवर होल बॉडी जो होता है ब्लड होता है फ्लो करता है। इसमें से डीऑक्सीनेट ब्लड भी होता है और ऑक्सीनेट ब्लड भी होता है। तो पूरी बॉडी के अंदर ब्लड का फ्लो इन होल बॉडी ब्लड फ्लो विद द arteries and ventricles. Now we talk about it is divided, our heart is divided in 4 chambers. Two upper part is that we call the 2 auricles and lower part that we call the 2 ventricles. When we talk about the right part, we call the right auricles, and when we talk about the left part, then we call the left auricles. And same thing, left ventricle and right ventricle, right or left. Next, a groove between auricles and ventricles, it is called auriculoventricular furrow or coronary sulcus. A groove present between the auricles and ventricles. As look here, these are the auricles and these parts of ventricle. Auricle and ventricle, auricle and ventricle. A groove present between here that we call the auriculofarrow or coronary sulcus. Blood is carried from different part into auricles. यानी blood जो है in our heart blood flow, blood take with different parts of our body with the auricles, with the help of the auricles. 4 chambers. All 4 chambers are divided in between presents in septa and valves. There are so many septa and valves present between our 4 chambers. Right and left auricles, a present valve or present septum between our right and left auricles. Right and left auricles. This is right auricle and this is left auricles. Here. The left auricles or right auricles between present a septum that we call the हम इंटर septum. यानी दोनों auricles के बीच में जो septum present है उन्हें इंटर septum कहते हैं. It's inter septum a oval pit present here. Auricle septum a oval pit, girth जो होता है वो present होता है oval shape का, that we call the fossa ovalis. This fossa ovalis is also present here. Aperture is in infants. Aperture it means एक तरह से हम सकते हैं होल, छिद्र. Infants के अंदर जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं वहां पर जो होता है वासा ओवलिस की जगह एक एपरेचर की प्रेजेंस होती है छोटे बच्चों में, स्मॉल साइज में, इन इन्फेंट्स में, दैट वी कॉल द फोरमेन ओवल, जिसे हम फोरमेन ओवल कहते हैं. Next, both ventricles also is septum present here, interventricular septums. ये right ventricle है और इधर हमारा होता है left ventricle. तो जो ये पार्ट होता है इनके बीच में एक जो होता है septum जो present होता है उस चीज को हम कहते हैं interventricular septum, left ventricle. Yeah. ठीक है. Auricle and ventricular are connected with auriculoventricular aperture. अभी तक हम बात कर रहे थे auricle और ventricle के between. अब हम बात करें auricle and ventricle are connected with auriculoventricular aperture. जो auricles and ventricles both are connected with a aperture that we call auriculoventricular aperture. Guarded by auriculoventricular valves. जो है guarded, it will be guarded by auriculoventricular valves. These valves check the blood flow. It means these valves help to check the blood flow. कि in auricles blood cannot flow auricles from ventricles part. यानी auricle से ventricle में या ventricle से auricles में blood का flow नहीं होना चाहिए. Between left auricles and left ventricles bicapsid valves are present between left auricles and left ventricles. लेफ्ट ऑरिकल और लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल के बिटवीन एक बाइकैप्सिड जो होता है, एक वॉल्व की प्रेजेंट होती है, जिसे हम कहते हैं बाइकैप्सिड वॉल्व. राइट ऑरिकल्स एंड राइट वेंट्रिकल्स, ए प्रेजेंट ऑफ वॉल्व हियर, tricapsid valve called, we call tricapsid valve. Right auricles and right ventricles present a valve here that we call the tricapsid valve. Three similar valves present inside which check return blood. Three similar valves present in its inside part, and that is important function. It checks the returning blood from auricle, from ventricle to auricle. Basic things. This is the basic structure, that the two parts are divided, auricle and ventricle part. Auricle, right auricle. This is right ventricle. This is right, or this is left auricle, and this is called left ventricle part. This is left auricle and left ventricle part. Here, internal vena cava present here, aorta present here. Precaval, this is the part called precaval part, and these all are the arteries. It is the between a furrow present that we call the sacculus. Let's start again. A groove present between that we call the auriculoventricular furrow. Important things, all chambers divided in septa and balls. Right and left auricles called interauricular septum. In infants, a aperture present that we call the foramen oval. Both ventricles, a septum present that we call the interventricular septum. Both auricles, a septum present that we call the atrioventricular septum. Between auricles and ventricles, both are connected with auricle ventricular aperture. It is guarded by auriculoventricular valves. These valves help to check the blood flow from auricles to ventricle. It doesn't flow here. Between left auricles and left ventricles, a bicapsid valve is present, left auricles and left ventricles. And right auricles and right ventricles, a tricapsid valve is also present here. This is the internal structure of our heart. Thank you. Have a nice day.